want me to tell you which way you ought to walk from here? That depends a good deal on where you want to get to. If you don't care, then it doesn't matter which way you go. So long as you get somewhere. Oh, you're sure to do that, if you only walk long enough. In that direction lives a hatter, and in that direction lives a March hare. Visit either you like. They're both mad. Don't want to go among mad people? Oh, you can't help that. We're all mad here. I'm mad. You're mad. You must be, or you wouldn't have come here. How do I know that I'm mad, you ask? To begin with, a dog's not mad. You grant that? Well then, you see, a dog growls when it's angry and wags its tail when it's pleased. Now I growl when I'm pleased and wag my tail when I'm angry. Therefore, I'm mad. Purring, growling, call it what you like. Do you play croquet with the Queen today? You'll see me there. By the by, what became of the baby? I'd nearly forgotten to ask. Turned into a pig, I thought it would. Did you say pig or